Super Street Fighter 4 Arcade Tournament Edition Fightstick. Oh man. Oh baby. Get the knife. Break this puppy up. Be quiet. It's my moment. This is ridiculous. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. Oh. Oh. Never been this happy before. Ever. I mean, really. You see this thing? Sanwa, boy. Sanwa parts. Ooh. Ooh. Somebody's getting broke off today. Tonight. Oh, damn. Hear how heavy that is? See how big that mug is? Ooh. Damn, I broke my table right now. That ain't no joke. Hell no, I ain't joking. It ain't no joke. Oh, man. Ooh.
Shut up, Jerry.
Why don't you shut up?
I'm watching a movie.
I don't care.
You don't care.
I'm opening my Street Fighter Fightstick. Hell to the no. I'm doing it right here in front of all the light.
Wow.
Oh.
So cool.
Man, you're so cool for ruining my moment. Way to go. Way to ruin my moment. Way to ruin my moment.
It's all about you.
Hell no, it's all about the fight stick right now. Oh.
Please.
Woo.
This movie is almost
Yeah.
over and I can disappear tonight.
Sounds good.
So shut up.
There it is. That's just part one.
Shut up.
Be back with part two and I'm not getting disturbed. Sometime tomorrow when she's at work.